salaries, no?
How to calculate salary?
Uh-huh.
It depends what you mean. Give me a little more information.
I just have two people on a salary roll by hours.
Yes.
And she calculating every 2 weeks. I mean, it's okay, she doing it, but I'm just worried if sometimes she's like sick or busy and I cannot delay. I have to pay people on time,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
So to issue pay slip maybe it would be good.
Okay. So I'll share my screen. I'm not sure this is exactly what you mean, but we'll start there and then we'll see if that's what you mean. Just give me a second to bring up a new document. Hopefully you can see the Excel here. So what you have to do is if somebody, let's say they get $1,000, that's the pay this month. So you have to do some deductions. First one is Canada Pension Plan. And the other one is employment insurance. And the other one is income tax. So let's see. Now, roughly, very roughly, I will show you how you can calculate it, but very roughly, you have to deduct from them. Geez, I think it's changed a bit. I think it's 5%. I think we'll see in a minute what the rate. This is what you have to deduct, take off. So you have to therefore send her a check for, it looks like $900 because you have to take off. So this is what you would send her a check for that. Sorry.
I see for some reason your other screen over Home Depot, painting.
Oh, okay. Let me try it again. Just give me a second. I'm not sure why why it's not showing. Just give me a second. Why this thing? I don't know Zoom as much as I know. It's the worker. But as you're quite correctly saying, for your company, you have to do something also for the company. So this one, there's nothing. There's no income tax. This one, CPP, is exactly whatever you take from her, you have to pay the same from your company. This one here, EI, is slightly different. Whatever you take from her, you have to multiply by 1.4. So what you have to take out of your own company is $96. So you're taking $96 of your own money and what is it saying here? $160. Sorry, made a mistake. And this money here. So you take all these ones in green from her money, and you take this one here, sorry, in yellow, from your money, and all of these you have to send to the government. All of these amounts here. That's what we call source deductions. Okay, it's kind of that simple. Now, obviously, I just made up these numbers, but there's ways to do it. I'm not sure where Oksana is doing it, but I'll tell you where you can find, first of all, the right numbers. Let's go here. And if you can see now, I'm in Chrome, and let's see. I know the rates just went up. Went up a bit here. Right, here you go. All right, so it is right. I don't know if you can see it. So the new rate for CPP is 5.45%. In my example, I used 5%, but it has gone up to 5.45%. And let's see, EI, I know it also just changed. Let's see, EI. No, that's one. 2021. No, that doesn't look right. It's always sometimes hard to find this. Premium rates. This could be it. Okay, here we go, I think. It looks like, I could be wrong. It looks like, that's right, 1.58. It looks like that's the rate. Now, as you look here, I don't know if you can see these, 1.58 for employer. Employee is 2.212. And as I said, how do they get 2.212? 1.58 multiplied by 1.4. So that's 1.5 times 1. So going back to my spreadsheet, let's see if I can put the right numbers in just so we can see it, that I've got them correct.
So for me, maybe then you just email it to me, and if I'm happen in this situation, so instead of panicking, I can somehow calculate.
But I will show you something else maybe that will even be easier for you. Okay, just give me a second. I can't remember what this one was. 1.58, I think. Right, so let's put in here 1.58, and here, so this was. Okay, but there's maybe a way to help you calculate it, to do everything for you. So again, I'm going to go back to, where is this here? Okay, back to Chrome. And if you do, what is it? CRA, CPP, calculator. Here you go. You see payroll deductions online calculated. So let's see here. Right. So you can use this to actually help you work it out correctly. It may not be 100% perfect because sometimes, where is this? Use the payroll. Where is it? I want to calculate to see what you need to know. Create your own what's new. So here you go. So let's do it. Let's make it up. We'll use the calculator. It's quite easy to use. Can you see?
Yeah.
So salary, yep, that's most probably what your people are earning, salary. Next, well, we just put anybody's name in. It doesn't really matter. Okay, what province? So we're in British Columbia. Pay period, how often do you pay them? Let's just assume you pay them.
Every 2 weeks.
Here you go, all right. Every 2 weeks, bi-weekly. Date, we'll just put it in. It doesn't hugely matter.
Whereas paid February 1st, I paid last time.
Okay, let's see. So that would be
on Monday.
February the 1st.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see next. So how much did you pay them? The gross, the full amount. Do you remember? We can make it up. It doesn't matter. $1,000, $800.
600 something.
Okay.
665.
665. Okay. Now I don't know if you understand what this vacation pay is. You usually, do you know what they're talking about here with vacation pay?
Yeah, we need to calculate from each check some percentage.
4% most probably.
4%, yeah.
So I'm going to put in here $26.60 just because that is 4% of that. Okay. I'm not sure. We might have to go back and have a look. But let's just see how this works.
Simple one.
Yeah. Okay. Bonus. If you did, you're not, I doubt there's anything here. It's usually no, I don't have these. It's all very straightforward. Okay. Usually let's see next. Okay. What this is saying, again, I think you can leave all of this blank. It's tax credits and everyone is pretty standard. Okay. This again, I would leave blank. It's only if you really knew something special about these people, but I don't think so. All right. here you go. You see 1.4. Remember I told you employer's premium is 1.4. So it's in there. So you just hit calculate and there you go. It tells you. So what they're saying is, let's look through. You're going to pay your employees $665 plus what do you see? This is the total amount. How much tax you're going to take? 1063, 3036, and this is your total deduction. And therefore, this is how much you send the check to them, 639.68. And so this is again very. Oops, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. That doesn't really matter. This is supposed to be the name of your company. It's not important.
Employer.
Yeah. All right. Now this is obviously, this sheet is, remember I said employee, but now they're saying, what about you, employer? So if you hit here, there it tells you what you have to send. Okay, 6072 from them. And there is the matching, sorry, CPP. There is that, it's a summary of everything. How much you take from the worker, how much you have to pay. I told you it's exactly the same. 1093. And if you multiply that by 1.4, you get 1530. So they're telling you the totals.
So if you can just put it, copy and paste in this file, link to it, and also
Okay.
if you put a number. So I have this basic file in something I open and don't need to panic, then I can do it.
Okay, so now did you say you want this sheet or you just want the link to the beginning part?
Yeah.
The beginning.
Yeah.
All right, so here you say we want to start again. Now you see here they said commission. So I'm not sure if you can use both. I don't think so. I don't know how you do both. It's a bit, I don't, here it's calculate commission, so I'm not sure. Anyway, let me send you this link and see how I know how to do that. I can just send you via email, okay? That's easier for me.
Yeah. So it's at least give me comfort.
Yes, that's right.
Somehow can do it, maybe not exactly right, but at least to process it.
Yeah, and the idea is obviously to try and get it. This is the government of Canada, obviously. So, but even if it's not exactly 100% correct, in the end of the year, when everyone does their tax return, it will get corrected. Now, hopefully it's not too far off, because if we don't do it correct, your employee might end up having to pay a lot more money. So you want it to be quite correct. Commissions. Oh, see, you can only do one calculation at a time.
So if I calculate commissions, but commissions are just a total amount, right?
Yeah. So let's see what happens when you do commission.
We go to commission. For example, this 2 weeks he have 250 commission, and it was just this amount.
Okay. I think maybe, and it's not perfect. You know, if he earns salary, you may have to do one for salary, and then you may have to do another one for commission. But here you are. Oh, see, you go here. Now let's see. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. Enter total amount. Yeah, this is just commission, I think.
Total remuneration. It means prior to what we're doing now, right?
Yeah, it's
because we have to put year up to date. Right?
Yeah. Let's just see if we put 2000 here and none of this. I don't know. I don't know what this means, the difference.
So it looks like for commission still, if contribution, probably we don't have it. It doesn't have to be a recipe. If sometime employee contribute to a recipe. Yeah, okay. So we just put 2000, 2000. Second one, same maybe.
I don't know. You see, I don't understand what the difference. Commission income for this period.
And this period we put 250. means
Maybe let's try this. Maybe this is what it's saying.
previously was 2000 and now new period. Yeah.
I don't know. Let's have a look. We'll just try it. Oh,
A number
check.
of days. Okay.
I don't know.
Mhm.
Please correct.
Maybe second one have to be same as the first one, I think.
This is expenses. Enter total annual commission expenses.
Yeah, it should be same, 2000. Try to
Okay,
put
let's do that. Again, I've never done this one before, so I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
This one we can just calculate, see what it says.
Mhm.
Commission income.
Okay.
Oh, no, so
So
amount.
from commission, we still pay CPP and EI. Yeah.
Yeah, total remuneration.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. This doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Commission income.
Yeah, I think from commission, we still pay CPP and EI, but no vacation pay. There's this vacation pay, no
Yeah,
have, but that's
you may have to, these people, you can always call them. It can be very difficult to get through and ask them to explain what is this, what does this mean? What is the difference? I don't understand what the difference is. To me, it's a bit confusing.
I can ask Oksana, but she's
Yeah.
tried to not to share because she's thinking if I learn, I don't need her. But I have no desire to do it myself. I just want to know. So, but okay, this is good. Also, another things for our trust account, yeah. If on you can show me on QuickBooks. I will try.
Okay, let me stop sharing here just in case.
Yeah, I need to maybe enter. No, I don't see. Okay. So I just go into QuickBooks. So what my question is, on QuickBooks, for